Page number 66, birth rate. The number of births per thousand population in a year. Death rate. The number of deaths per thousand population in a year. Population explosion. If the birth rates are high and the death rates fall down substantially, the population growth rate increases. It is called population explosion. Infant mortality rate. The number of deaths per thousand born children in a year. Literacy rate. It is given by this formula. Literacy rate. Literates of 7 years and above aged population by total population into 100.